Here's a guide on how to connect loads to your Egon DC hub. In the workshop, we usually use this connector here for really big loads, for example, like a twin piston compressor that can draw up to 80 amps. This will be the right connector for it. If you only have a single piston compressor or you want to wire in a 350 watt inverter, for example, these connectors are quite good. They are rated up to 50 amps. For everything else that has a lower current draw, for example, a fridge would be very well suited here, your travel buddy oven, LED lights, whatever else you can think of with a current draw less than 25 amps can be connected to these 10 outlets. Over here you've got spare fuses, just in case you ever blow a fuse while you're on the road, you will have spare fuses right where you need them. It is very important that you use the right fuse size to prevent fires and accidents. To find out what the right fuse size is, please refer to the supplied wire thickness and maximum current carrying capacity guide, and also refer to the load that you are connecting and choose your fuse accordingly. This is very important.